Welcome to Travel and Work Channel, a channel that brings you all the latest news, updates and information about traveling, studying, working and living abroad. Please subscribe and press the notification bell to notify you anytime a video is posted. Thank you. There is a great opportunity right now in the United Kingdom. You want to listen if you are interested in moving to the UK to work as a seasonal worker. The seasonal worker route is for a person who wants to come to the UK to do seasonal horticulture work or poultry production work. You might wonder who this seasonal worker route is for. It is for a person who wants to come to the UK to do seasonal horticulture work or poultry production work, and a person on the seasonal worker route can stay for a maximum period of 6 months and any 12-month period if they are working in a role in the horticulture sector and if they are a poultry production worker. They can stay for a period of time beginning no earlier than 18th of October and ending no later than 31st of December each year. With this route, anyone applying will not be permitted to bring their partner and children. They cannot apply as dependents on this route. The seasonal worker route is not a route to settlement. For entry clearance as a seasonal worker, you must apply online on gov.uk. An application for entry clearance as a seasonal worker must meet all the necessary requirements. Firstly, a fee must have been paid, and the applicant must have provided any required biometrics. Secondly, the applicant must have provided a passport or other travel document which satisfactorily establishes their identity and nationality. Thirdly, the applicant must have a certificate of sponsorship that was issued to them no more than 3 months before the date of application. Fourthly, the applicant must be aged 18 or over on the date of application. If the certificate of sponsorship confirms that the role is in the poultry production sector, the date of application must be on or before 15th of November in each year. It is important that an applicant confirm that they are employed in either the horticulture or the poultry production sector. If they claim to be working in the horticulture sector, it means they are growing protected vegetables. Those grown in glasshouse systems or field vegetables, those grown outdoors, including vegetables, herbs, leafy salads and potatoes. Also, it could be soft fruit. Those grown outdoors or under cover. For example, in glasshouses or polytunnels. It includes strawberries, raspberries, blackcurrants, blueberries and all ribes and rhubarb species. Again, they must be growing top fruit. It is also called orchard fruit. Trees that bear fruit like apples, plums, cherries or apricots. Fourthly, vine and vines. Both twining or climbing flexible stems of certain plants, like hops is a vine, and grapes is a vine. Number 5 is mushroom. Typically covers Agaricus bisporus species but can also include more exotic species typically grown indoors. Number 6 is bulbs and cut flowers, such as daffodils, grown outdoors and indoors. Number 7 is pot plants, such as seasonal bedding plants like pansies, violas, geraniums and poinsettias. Number 8 is hardy ornamental nursery stock such as Christmas trees, shrubs, roses, ornamental trees and perennials. Number 9 is tree and forest nurseries. Now that I have mentioned the 9 horticulture areas of work areas needed, I'll go ahead and list that of poultry production sector. The applicant must be undertaking one of the following this poultry roles. Number 1 is butcher. Number 2 is bird or game dresser. Number 3 is killer and plucker. Number 4 is plucker. Number 5 is poulterer. Number 6 is poultry processor. Number 7 is poultry sticker. Number 8 is trisser. Number 9 is food operative. Number 10 is poultry catcher or handler. Number 11 is poultry. Number 12 is poultry meat. For entry clearance as a seasonal worker, you must pay the fee and must have provided any required biometrics and also must have provided a passport or other travel document which satisfactorily establishes your identity and nationality. It is compulsory that a certificate of sponsorship that was issued no more than 3 months before the date of application be presented. The certificate of sponsorship should confirm your name, that you are being sponsored as a seasonal worker, details of the job and salary the sponsor is offering. It must include a start date, stated by the sponsor, which is no more than 3 months after the date of application. It must not have been used in a previous application which was either granted or refused but can have been used in a previous application which was rejected as invalid, made void or withdrawn. It must not have been withdrawn by the sponsor or cancelled by the Home Office. It should confirm that the role conforms with all relevant legislation, such as the relevant agricultural wages order rate where this applies, and the working time regulations. It must confirm that you are employed in either the horticulture or the poultry production sector. Once the visa is granted, there will be no access to public funds and work is permitted only in the role the applicant is being sponsored for, but study is permitted. I hope this information will help you make a right decision. If you want to come to the UK to work with this visa, now is the right time to do so. Take advantage of this great opportunity. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and press the notification bell for updates like this. Thank you.